Hey man, you know where you watch. Dancehall skilla.
Wait! Come out!
You walk up beside the police face.
Come out my face.
Well, people, Dancehall skilla there again. Blessed manners and respect to each and every one. So, I am going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened when a person said some words to at least one law enforcer and somehow got himself in trouble with police. So I got the understanding that police or law enforcers went at a location and somehow and at some point at least one law enforcer was pulling at least one person by holding on to at least part of a type of clothes that the person was wearing. That person was somewhat resisting and there were other persons there and certain things happened. Anyways, at some point, one person who was at the location said some words to at least one law enforcer, and then at some point, that person who said some words to at least one law enforcer had been forcefully placed or pushed inside of a police motor vehicle. Police held on to that person. I don't have any confirmed information to determine where the video had been recorded. When you look at the video, and you can also tell what you think about a situation that you can see and hear in this video. And viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me.
Robert Rich calling.
Me?
Which person? Because Go.
Sorry. No, man, they're going nowhere. No. You can't do that. You cannot. As an officer of the law. You cannot.
This thing can't comply with
they can't comply. Every police want to pull and talk. How the f*** you comply? How we going to comply? And you can't say you don't tell us to tell. Hey, we come to it good. We come to it good. That's disrespectful. Lose the man, boy. He don't even understand. Lose the man. He don't even understand or the number. Sir, wait. He wait, sir. Wait, sir. Wait. Hold on. Sir, wait. Where is your bag? Sir, go live. Go live. I live. You don't even have a number on uniform and he arresting people. Lose the man. You do not have a number or your name. You assaulting the man. You don't have a name. Where is the name? Why you want to pull up?
Oh my God. You come in order to arrest somebody, it must be some farmer touch.
Yeah, but why you boss the button from the policeman? No, sorry. You boss the button from the policeman. You don't know.
I tell you.
Leave that guy. Sorry, you boss the why would you walk like this? Please walk. Walk. Why you obstructing the police are doing his job? Why is he talking about you don't have one? Walk.
So we get to look phone inside Field's face.
Wait.
There's a problem with them.
Yeah. Very disrespectful.
From a flash. No. Then let him go.
Let him go.
Where's the reason? They got go?
Disrespectful.
I want you to tell me the reason you got go. This boy
Why? Why? Several times. Just like how the police came several times.
Wait!
Come out.
You walk up beside the police face.
Come out my face. I'm serious.
You're pushing me.
I was compliant.
Remove from my face, sir. Remove from me. Remove from my face.
I used to get
You're
bumped.
very disrespectful, you know.
I get bumped. Hey, you're the police now in farm. Don't forget to marry the civilian.
And when I turn a civil, I never come to you for nothing.
That's me. House, you, your wife, everybody.
Hey, don't get stupid, you know.
Yo, take your hand out your face, man. Take your hand out your face. Don't you touch me.
I come.
Don't touch me, man. Don't touch me. No. Yo, you can't touch me, man.
Stop it. I was compliant.
You want to go? Collect your friend phone. There you go. You're gonna stop this nonsense, man.
Disrespectful.
Things if when it comes to a situation like that, fine.
Look what this man doing. Look what this man doing. Sir. Sir.
But you stay away, you always have to come in and have from doing the work.
You just shot Leon. Deal with this thing.
Do nothing.
Do nothing.
You there come tell him about his wife and children. He disrespectful.
Sir, please back up.
You better stay away from me. Good.
Richie.
Because you get charged for obstructing.
You went right there, you ain't saying nothing. I tell you, talk to them, buddy.
Mahindra.
Move from there.
Please remove from the vehicle. Please remove from the vehicle. We came to your God, you know. You say you're scarce, you're problem. I came to you, God, you know. Ask who's the order for this vehicle. Tell you how to proceed to the station. We come here, you're still in on the music. You're disrespect. Do not touch me.
No, I did not touch you. Where did I touch you?
Richie.
Every minute they're going down, coming up.
Sir, please remove from the vehicle. Remove from the government vehicle.
You causing the police but his wife and children. Disrespectful. Fake and Richie.
Because he was encouraging him.
Hello, you don't come wrong this vehicle.
When I come and
Do not come wrong this vehicle.
Where is it, sir?
What you try?
Mahindra.
Sir, remove from the vehicle.
from me and he's sorry about him.
What?
Telling you.
Let it be.
Tell you what?
No,
Yeah, but this is.
You're already telling police about your wife and children.
Mahindra, calm down. Mahindra, calm down. Mahindra.
Move from the vehicle.
You cause the
Hey, come in. Come round.
He got a boy in the vehicle, though. Hello? Yes, boy, boy in the vehicle.
Now, my people, I don't know, or I didn't get any confirmed information as to why police went at that location, or what might have caused the whole situation before it ended up like that. But here what me I send over people, because me hear some words said in at least one part of the video that I've been thinking. And listen to this part right there, some people. Listen.
I came to you, God, you know. Ask who's the order for this vehicle. Tell you how to proceed to the station. We come here, you're still in on the music. You're disrespect. Do not touch me.
No, I did not touch you. Where did I touch you?
In my point of view, I think the person said and did certain things that got him in trouble with the law. That's in my point of view. See, I'm not being disrespectful. I'm just being real, you know, because in my point of view, it seems as if police didn't have them attention totally on that person until up to a certain point. Police attention turned to the person. Well, you let me know what you think, yeah, my people. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. Okay, my people, so I'm going to present another video to you. The next video I'm going to present to you had been recorded within the country of Jamaica. This video that I'm about to present to you had been recorded at the scene of where a police motorcycle had been damaged, allegedly because of a motor vehicle. I got the understanding that an accident happened. I'm not sure how many vehicles might have been involved in this whole situation. The video also shows a damaged motor vehicle that is said to be a taxi. I don't have any confirmed information to determine how that incident happened. But I would like to know how that situation turned out. Let me know anything about the situation here. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me.
Now ask a question. Now ask a question. Now ask a question. Am me wrong and am me there in front?
No, I mean you to you're stopping at road so
Hold on, am me wrong and am me there in front?
I'm me out of
Yeah.
I'm me see I come here stop on this one there. Breaking on the road, my father. And this one on the right back. This one on pull up in
Hold on.
Yes, when it comes down to that situation, then my people, I'm wondering who was right from who was wrong when it comes down to that situation. Who right from who wrong? That me I wonder. Anyways, let me move on to another topic, my people. Just to let you know about that video and the situation. Now, the next video I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, shows two persons doing certain things that have me thinking. I mean, I'm not sure how I should really and truly look at this video itself. So I got to understand that the video shows two persons who were holding each other and they hit each other while they were down on some type of pavement, and there was a container with whatsoever inside of the container, and at some point one of those persons held on to the container with whatsoever in it, and then at some point the other person held on to the same container. And I think I hear the word meat mentioned in the video, my people. My people, take a look at this video. Take a look at this video and tell me what you think, people. Tell me if you think this is... tell me what you think this was. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me, people.
Chop rice. See that? Yeah, man. Yeah, leave me to more below wicked. Pare?
Who pissed him out?
Yeah, man.
You have a girlfriend? Yeah, family.
This is my status today.
But who pissed him out now?
Yeah, man.
You need to share?
Me not understand.
Are you banana bridge?
My people, the way all those two persons behaved in that video that I saw, it reminded me of a situation that I saw years ago at a bar. At a bar. Yeah, when the way I see those persons behave in the big video, the way I see those two persons behave in that video, it reminded me of a situation that I saw between two persons at a bar years ago. That's childish behavior, my people. But then again, let me know what you think, though. I think here's where I'm going to leave it. So big up and respect to each and every one. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch.